you've ever considered or thought about being a makeup artist, I'm going to be telling you the only steps you need to take to start making money as a makeup artist right away. Hiya guys, welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker and beauty educator, and I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're a makeup artist interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Click on that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment below telling me what topics of makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. If you've ever considered or thought about being a makeup artist, I'm going to be telling you the only steps you need to start making some money as a makeup artist right away. And if you already are a makeup artist, you need to stay tuned because these steps will also help you quickly grow your artistry and start attracting more clients. So let's get into it. You may have been wanting to delve into the makeup scene and become a makeup artist, but for one reason or the other, you've still not gotten around to taking that step, or maybe you just don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you some clarity. I'm breaking down for you the steps you need to take to become a makeup artist. So let's go. Before becoming a makeup artist, or even if you're a makeup artist already, you need to decide what type of makeup artist you want to be and what looks you want to be known for. What story do you want to tell with your artistry? Do you want to be known for cut creases? Do you want to be known for special effects? Do you want to be known for applying the most beautiful red lips on your clients? Whatever it is, what do you want to be known for and what looks would you like to create? So in my case and in my artistry, I want every bride or client who sits in my chair to live the flawless, clean, natural looking face makeup. So you have to figure out what you want your look to be and who you want to work on. Do you want to work on everyday women? Do you want to work on movie sets? Do you want to work on celebrities? Do you want to be a makeup artist who works for with or under another makeup artist and have them, send you out to clients? Because you don't necessarily have to go through the entrepreneur route to become a makeup artist. So you need to have these answers because the answers will guide you on the looks that you eventually create on your clients and what your artistry will be eventually known for. Makeup artistry goes way beyond just doing makeup on beautiful women for events. There's so much opportunity and a host of ways that you can be and work as a makeup artist. But the first step is to be clear on what type of makeup artist you want to be. So after you figured out what type of makeup artist you want to be or the looks you'd like to create on your clients, the next thing would be to master your artistry. This step is so crucial and is a great determinant of how fast you improve and grow in your makeup artistry. The makeup industry is so competitive, and if you want to stand out, your work has to be flawless, it has to be stunning. So here are a number of ways that you can master your artistry. You can be self-taught. Being self-taught simply means learning on your own. So you watch other people apply makeup on themselves or on others. Then on your own, you try to understand and decipher how they came up with the results that they came up with. I started off actually being self-taught in the beginning of my makeup artistry, and what I found about being self-taught is that it takes you a longer time to get to the answers. In other words, it takes you a longer time to know what you're really doing in your artistry, and that can leave you stagnant in your makeup business. And this was exactly what happened to me. I wasn't attracting clients. I just found myself feeling stuck in my makeup artistry for a really long time until I decided to take a different route. Another way that you can master your artistry is by enrolling in a makeup school. So what this means is that you find a makeup school that enrolls a number of other makeup artists. In these schools, they take you through a curriculum with a number of makeup courses where they teach you some principles about makeup artistry and makeup application, basically giving you a broad overview of makeup application. I went to a makeup school as well. I enjoyed it because besides getting a formal makeup education, it was also a great networking opportunity for me. I got to connect with other makeup artists, and with some of them I've kept in contact with. So makeup school was great, but I found that because they took more of a broad approach to teaching, I still had more questions, and my makeup artistry still wasn't where I needed it or wanted it to be at the time. Another way to master your artistry, and this was what I did, and I saw a shift in my makeup artistry. My artistry was elevated, my clientele increased tremendously. Find other makeup artists that you admire their work or aspire to, and make investments to learn directly from them. For example, say you want to be able to achieve beautiful, flawless skin makeup on clients. Find a makeup artist who is good at that and make an investment to learn from that person. Or say you would love to learn how to do precise, stunning cut eye crease. Find a makeup artist who is good at that technique. Get in touch and learn directly from them. I found that through this means you get to your answers quicker, you get to the answers to your questions quicker. But whatever route you decide to take in mastering your artistry, it's important to note that the faster you become a great makeup artist, the quicker your makeup artistry will grow, and the quicker you attract more clients and make more money. The next step to becoming a makeup artist, or if you're already a makeup artist, the next step to becoming a better makeup artist is to practice. Whether you have a lot of makeup or not, practice. Practicing your makeup application will help you figure out how different products feel and work on the skin. Practice on anybody you can find, practice on yourself. I actually recommend to the makeup artists that I teach to also practice on themselves. And this is because as a makeup artist, it is important that you have a feel of the products in your kit. Understand how and where makeup products should be placed on the face. This will help you become more familiar with the makeup products in your pro makeup kit, and will also help you understand how best to use them on your clients. So when I first started out, I didn't have a ton of makeup products or makeup tools for applying makeup. In fact, I had the crappiest, scratchiest brushes at the time. I didn't have any brow pencil. I had just a black eyeliner at the time, but that didn't stop me from practicing. In fact, it was by using that black eyeliner that I practiced how to draw on my brows. And even though it looked crazy at the time, I learned brow placement by practicing. I practiced on myself, I practiced on family, I practiced on friends, literally anyone I could find, I practiced on. Practice will also give you an idea of how to treat your clients when they are sitting in your chair. Makeup is a muscle and it needs to be developed, and the best way to develop that muscle is to practice, 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 and more practice. When practicing on people, keep in mind to practice on people with different skin tones and skin issues, because this will help you become a more diverse makeup artist. So at this point, you've invested in makeup education, you've been practicing and improving your skills as a makeup artist. Now it's time to build your pro makeup kit. You don't need to already have a ton of makeup, or you don't have to spend thousands or hundreds of thousands on makeup products for your pro makeup kit when you're just starting out as a makeup artist. Just start from where you are at the moment. Most beginner makeup artists don't start off big. I definitely didn't start off big. All you need when you're just starting out as a pro makeup artist are essential makeup products and tools. You don't need a ton of high-end brands. You just need good makeup products and tools that will help you get the job done. I started from where I was at the time, and as I started booking clients and making more money, I began to invest thousands of dollars and hundreds of thousands of naira in my pro makeup kits. And this is always my recommendation to the makeup artists that I train. Start from where you are and build on it. And because of my experience and just knowing how expensive and overwhelming building a pro makeup kit can be, I created a free guide where I show you for free how to build your pro makeup kit without breaking the bank. So for totally free, I'm going to be building your pro makeup kit for you. I'll be showing you the exact makeup tools and makeup products that you need in your makeup kit. And at the end, you're going to have a makeup kit that immediately allows you to start taking clients and creating stunning looks on them. Next, you want to build relationships if you want to become a makeup artist, or even if you're one already. So you ever heard that saying, your network is your net worth? It is important to build relationships with people in the same industry as you, which in this case is the makeup industry. And I would even say to extend your networking to not just makeup artists in particular, but beauty professionals at large, whether it be hairstylists, photographers, and so on. Being an introvert, this is something that I terribly struggled with. But I just try to get off that shell and start socializing more. So whenever I can attend events for beauty pros, I make an effort to be there if I can. Once in a while, I tend to slip back into that introvert shell, but making out time to connect with like-minded pros is always beneficial as a makeup artist, because these are the people you'll be working close to in your makeup career. So it's important to build good and meaningful relationships with people who are doing the same thing as you. So here is something that happened to me that highlights the power of having good relationships as a makeup artist. Years back, I think this was back in 2017, I got a call to work on my first ever movie set. It's a movie titled Lionheart, which by the way was the first Nigerian movie to ever be on Netflix. So back then, I was going by my nickname Jobsy, and that opportunity came to me because another makeup artist thought that my artistry style was exactly what they were looking for in the movie, because they wanted a makeup artist who could do, clean, natural, flawless looking skin makeup. And because of that referral, I was hired immediately. And that experience has been one of the highlights of my artistry. So I'm really grateful for the relationships that I've built in the course of my career as a makeup artist. You've taken all these productive steps towards your makeup artistry. Now let's see. You figured out the looks you'd like to create and the type of clients you'd like to work with. You've invested in arming your makeup artistry with quality makeup education. You've been practicing and you're building your kit. Now it's time to set your rates. It's time to start making some money from your makeup artistry. So there is no one rule book to setting your rates. I feel like service rates are unique to each business because there are a number of factors that should be considered before setting rates. Factors such as expenses, travel rates, profits, and so on. So this is something that you have to figure out on your own in your business. Figure out how much things cost and how much you're looking to make, and set your rates for your makeup services. I hope these tips have given you a boost of confidence to go after your passion and dream of becoming a makeup artist. And even if you already are a makeup artist, I hope these tips have given you some clarity on how to elevate your makeup artistry. Don't forget to get your full makeup kit building freebie in the description box. So go to the description box, click the link and get your free guide. Feel free to check out some of my other previous videos where I share more tips that will help makeup artists grow their makeup artistry. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. See you soon. Bye.